Aids to recovery. Firstly, DOMS. DOMS stands for Delayed Onset of Muscle Soreness. DOMS is the pain and stiffness felt in muscles several hours to days after strenuous exercise. Soreness is felt most strongly after 24 to 72 hours after exercise. This other type of muscle soreness, which appears immediately after exercise, is also to do with DOMS, known as muscular cramps. Things like active cooldowns can help reduce DOMS and aid recovery. An active cooldown would help aid recovery in the sense that an active cooldown will help resynthesize all ATP/PC stores quicker and also increase the volume of oxygen delivery to the tissues and muscles so that to speed up the slow components of EPOC and help get rid of this lactic acid or transfer it into one of the 5 factors that lactic acid can be transferred into. There are other methods in which to help aid recovery. These can consist of warm-ups, which will increase oxygen delivery and therefore minimize oxygen deficit, which means the difference in oxygen from not doing a warm-up, going straight into activity, as opposed to doing a warm-up and going in would be dramatically different, meaning that this helps recovery as oxygen has a less dramatic drop and will help maintain metabolic needs, which therefore will help recovery to happen quicker. Another method in order to aid recovery would be strategies and tactics such as timeouts and subs in certain sports. For example, in a football game, half-time would be a way to aid recovery, as this would help as the fast components of EPOC would occur during this half-time break, such as the resynthesis of all ATP/PC stores, and also the metabolic needs returning to fairly near normal, therefore meaning that you can consistently work at the same intensity you did in the first half without being too physically challenged, and also would aid recovery and make this recovery easier and less intense on the muscles as you've had a break midway through this exercise.